Hi you guys, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. My name is Melanie, and I know this seems like a never-ending project. So today I'm tackling the embellishments for what I call other seasons. So I have Christmas and winter kind of grouped as its own category. And then every other season, so spring, summer, and fall, any embellishments I've put in here. I have a feeling some of these things could probably go elsewhere. And I have 12 by 12 sticker sheets in with these with the paper, right? Because I've already sorted through the paper. So let me get sorting this into some sort of semblance of order, and I will come back and show you what's what. Thankfully, this is not nearly as much stuff as I had for travel. So I have one 12 by 12 sticker sheet, which I just am going to leave in the packaging for now. I have a bunch of 6 by 12s. What I've been doing is adhering these to a 12 by 12 piece of chipboard and putting it in a record sleeve so that it will lay nicely in my bin. So I will work on that. This one here, Bella Boulevard Chow chipboard, this could be used for anything, so I'm just going to move this out of this category and into my general stash. So that will take care of those. I have a couple 12 by 12 sticker sheets in here. There's not a ton left on this, so I will transfer these over onto page protectors because I'm going to put stickers and die cuts in a binder. And same with this, I will probably transfer all of these over, and then the alphabets will go in with my alphabet collection. I have some flat stickers as well as some puffies. I will probably transfer these all over into the sticker binder just to keep it consistent. Ephemera packs, again, those will be transferred over to the binders as well. The same deal with whatever brads or faux brads that I have. And then I have some bulky embellishments, not a lot. I've got some clips and bows and a few little bats. Now what I have done in the past is I've used those 4 by 6 iris containers to store these in. I don't know that I would necessarily do that in this case. I think what I might try and do with the bows is put them in the binders as well. And then these little bats I'll just leave in this bag. That's easy enough. Yeah, and then these clips I'll probably just leave as is. No sense pulling them off at this point. I have 3 sheets or 3 rolls of washi. This is Vintage Birds from Carpe Diem. I've got some bumblebees, and then this is Grateful. But you know what? They don't necessarily have to be seasonal, so I think I'm just going to move these in to my general washi stash, and that'll take care of those. I had a bunch of these bows in here as well. I am going to transfer these to the bin that I have for bows, and I have some enamel dots, which we all know what I'm doing with those. And the last thing I have in here is this little kit. It's for Snap Studio, and it's got 8 pages and 1 envelope, and it is summer themed. I'm just going to leave it in the package as is. No point pulling it out at this point. So that is where I'm at. Let me get going, and I will come back and show you how this all looks. Okay, it's time to load it all back up. So I've got my 12 by 12 and then the 6 by 12 sheets that I have turned into 12 by 12. I have that pack, snap pack, and those clips, and I have the binder. And obviously the binder will fit in here easily, but I am thinking that because this is more everyday-ish, even though it is seasonal, that I might want to have this out on my shelf. So I'm going to opt to leave that out for now, just to show you what the binder looks like. I have, first of all, summer, and it kind of morphs into spring. I did have a clean cutoff between spring, summer, and fall. That's just because, in my opinion, spring and summer are very interchangeable. And then I have the fall stuff, not a ton. And I do have a few pages in my other binders that I'm going to move over here, but that is basically it. So I am pretty sure that this bin is going to be also combined with my occasions, which I usually store things like Easter, Valentine's, birthday, and I think I might move those over here, except for maybe the birthday, right? So I'll move Easter and Valentine's, any of those types of items over here, because they kind of fall within the calendar year, and we'll see how that goes. That should be coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't already done so and you love these types of videos, click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, happy organizing.